1. Wear classic pieces. Classic women never wear trendy clothes. They wear classic pieces such as a simple black dress with a striking accessory, aviator glasses, a colorful scarf or a pretty set of pearls. Think of Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis's famous oversized sunglasses and timeless suits. You don't have to go back to the 1950s, but expand your wardrobe when possible and learn to have your own sophisticated style. Some people are very classic and still keep up a colorful, fun appearance. 2. Keep makeup to a minimum. A little foundation, lip gloss and mascara can go a very long way. Learn how to make your best features stand out. 3. Respect your hair's natural texture. Always aim for a shiny and healthy style. Consult a hairdresser to figure out what style will suit your face and the easiest way to maintain your hair. You don't want to spend hours in front of the mirror. 4. Have good personal hygiene. Keep nails and toenails looking prim and proper, a simple French manicure is always elegant. 5. Be positive and happy. A positive outlook is always beautiful. If something is really bothering you, it's okay to show it. But a classic beauty is known for being reserved, calm and always in control. 6. Know what you're talking about. Intelligence is key. Brush up on as many subjects as possible. 7. Black is something classic beauties always wear, but try to accentuate the simplicity of it with accessories of a single other color such as red, white, or green. 8. Find the classic colors that work best with your complexion and eye color. For example, blue eyes, orange, complementary, dark blue, dark purple, light green, gray, white, black, turquoise, analogous, blue-purple, analogous, dark red. Colors to avoid are bright red, lime green, hot pink, brown, baby blue, any tints, colors visibly mixed with white-brown eyes, any pink, charcoal, any very dark color, yellow, it brings out undertones in the eyes, despite its undignified reputation, green, also, undertones. Colors to avoid, none, brown is neutral, and so goes with everything. Green eyes, purple, it really does bring out the color of your eyes, dark red, green's complementary color, dark blue, black, brown, off-white. Colors to avoid, gray, since it weighs down the natural tones in your iris, muting the color. However, if your eyes are bright green or blue-green, gray brings it out quite nicely. Yellow, bright red, complements can be jarring when both of the colors are vivid, bright white, orange, and green, which drowns out your eye color. Black eyes, any color. Ruddy blue-toned, pink after exertion, freckled skin, cool colors, blue, purple, green, and all the analogous colors between them including red, purple, black, gray. Colors to avoid, yellow, and the corresponding analogous colors, any red, sorry, and white. Wear dark orange or red orange at your discretion. Sallow, yellow-toned, tanning rather than freckling, any warm or neutral colors. Avoid yellow, but golds can look nice if you are African American or have a darker complexion, you can wear almost any color. Golds are especially beautiful, though. If you have red hair, you can wear golds, beiges, corals, purples, very dark or light greens, just avoid the Christmas green color, dark blues. Check out the link description below.